right, we are back. King Nalah Productions in the mother freaking building. Y'all know what the vibes are. So I here have a package from the lovely Denise Benz. That's right, from Elevation. Link down there if you want to check out the boxes, packages, etc. So it's something special going on today. We got our handy dandy personalized pocket knife there. So it's going to be difficult to take this out. Give me one moment. All right, that's out of the way. Got the knife. Usually we use the gimbal, but we are not doing it. We're getting straight to it. Let's get to it, baby, yeah. So do the drum roll amongst yourself or selves. All right, y'all ready? Let's see what's in the box now, baby. Let's see what's in it. Did I open it right? Did I even open it properly? All right, let's see. That's my man. Shout out Flossie Carter. Rock. All right, open it up. Ooh. Happiness. Love and happiness. All right, so Elevation included in your box, the perfect mug, a box of tea because tea is a hug, any mug. Stainless steel to hold your tea down a little deeper. I love that. I will be utilizing that. ASAP, no Rocky. With the honey sticks. Ooh, because who needs those sugar bricks? Number 5, always something sweet because everyone needs a treat. All right, number 6, writing journal and pen to capture it all. Now, you know we need those journals. That pen look fire. Anyway, on point. Number 7, something motivational because we all need a reminder. And 8, something to make you smile because we all need a break once in a while. I like that. A cup of tea makes everything better. So get that website if you want to check out this for yourselves. All right. That is wonderful. Nice and packaged well. And this is my favorite theme, of course, with a little bit of lime. I don't know if I have my shoes here, but I love this color. I love that pattern. Ooh. So for beginners and starters, this is a special package. So this one, whatever you get from the site, this one is a little bit bigger. I got the deluxe edition this time around, so you may not have as many items in your box. Okay, so a nice little pen. All right, so let's go through these things. Tag Envy. All right, what's in there? I thought these were some shades. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, the honey. So you know what that is. Yes. I will be utilizing this. Nice. And it comes with a nice little protective baggie. Beautiful. Nice quality. Okay. Hand sanitizer. Now you know you need that. So nice. Ooh, a candle. I will be lighting this tonight. Alrighty. And we got another little box of matches. 50. I need those. I need those. That is awesome. It gives you a full kit. Oh man, I feel spoiled. Everything nicely packaged. Ooh, more box of matches saying home. This is lovely. This is going in the kitchen. This is going in the King Nalah Mansion kitchen. All right, so what is this? Whatever good we give out completes the circle and comes back to us. Flora Edwards. With every rising of the sun, think of your life as just begun. Ella Wheeler Wilcox. I know I'm reading slowly because I'm still looking at things in the box at the same time. This is really nice. Oh, I love this. Awesome. Unapologetically authentic. And I always call myself Mr. Authentic. I always call myself authentic. So it's going to be wonderful writing in this. I'm also going to have to get the book from Miss Benz. Her book. Speaking of finding your authentic voice, public speaking, etc. So check it out. Look it up. I love this. Biscoff. That's wonderful with coffee. Confident. We are confident. Wonderful. Amazing. All right. It's a good day for a good day. All right. Microwave and dishwasher safe. awesome. That's what I'm talking about. So what is this? Each side is a self-care challenge. Make yourself a priority. Ooh, that's cute. That will be going up in my office for sure. Wellness challenge cube. Oh, we don't want to look at any labels. All right, stick with it. Don't quit. That is cool. Commit, be positive, breathe, drink water. I think we got them all. This is a big part of the box. Happy tea. Drop it like it's hot. I like that. I would open this, but I'm gonna save it for later. You're just gonna have to get your own box. All right, it was nicely packaged. Oh, that was wonderful. That was a wonderful unboxing. Give it up for Denise Benz and Elevation, the brand. They are amazing. Whoa, check out the QR code. Maybe you can screenshot this and look at it on your phone and visit the website or whatever. That's the back. Sweet, amazing. All right, kind of like don't want to put any of this stuff back, honestly. I'm ready to get to using my goodies immediately. I am excited. Of course, we don't remember the way that it was placed in here completely. That's okay. Wonderful box. That's a nice thumbnail, isn't it? Well, thanks again. Once again, this is King Nalah Productions doing a nice, wonderful unboxing video, also known as BiGJaYTV, and amongst some other names, but they're not relevant for this particular unboxing. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Make sure you check out the description below for the website so you can purchase and order your own. Take care.
It's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside.